Let's learn some colors name. Pink color, green color, orange color, blue color, black color, brown color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for doll. E for egg. F for flowers. G for glass. H for house. I for iron. J for jelly. K for king. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for question. R for rainbow. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R. Thanks for watching.